Alright traders, I got a real treat here for you in this video, okay? I just finished programming a new build called the SuperTrendline, okay? And in this video, I'm going to show you how the SuperTrendline nailed a massive 800 tick move in the markets today. Alright, let's do it. Alright, what's up traders? It's Mark here at Dino Trading, the world's #1 resource on learning how to trade without any indicator nonsense. We don't look at indicators at all. The only thing that we look at is we try to spot clues that the market gives us using only price action techniques. Now, today was an incredible day trading the futures markets. Okay, we are in a period of very, very high volatility, and you gotta jump on this. Okay, you've heard me say this many, many times before. You will not make money in a quiet market. Okay, you will only make money in volatile and what I like to call violent markets. There's just no way to get around that. You have to love volatility. If you don't love volatility, then day trading is not for you. Okay, so today was an awesome day trading. In fact, probably one of the best trading sessions ever. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how we nailed the exact high of today's sell-off. All right, so the first piece of business, what we have to do is we have to transform this indicator nonsense. All right, so with one click of your mouse, I'm actually going to transform this into my T-bar chart, not the Dino bar chart today. We're going to be looking at only the T-bar chart. Okay, so with one click of my mouse, I'm going to take this chart right here, and I'm going to make it look like this. All right, but we're not done. Okay, I'm going to squish this in here. All right, let's try to get the entire session in here as best as we can. And watch this, guys. I'm going to show you how to load up the super trend lines. All right, this is a brand new build. It's been programmed to identify exact highs and exact lows. Basically, what this strategy tries to do is catch tops and catch bottoms. All right, but it's going to do it in a very, very safe manner. Watch. All right, so how you pop on this strategy, guys, is you simply right click in the chart, you go to strategies. All right, and all you got to do in this here menu, right, is just check this box. Can you see this? It says enabled. Okay, you check the box there, you hit OK, and kaboom, all the drawing objects get displayed for you on the chart. There is nothing more you have to do from this point on. Nothing. Okay, the strategy is going to do everything for you. Okay, now let's talk about these drawing objects. All right, what do they mean? Well, what I've done is I've programmed a way to read multiple chart data in the very same chart. Okay, so this particular strategy is going to extract data from several time frames and volatility metrics, all right, and lay them out for you in a simple, clean, organized fashion. Makes sense? So how this typically works is, let's just zoom in here, okay? Let's zoom in here. When you see a purple line being drawn on your chart, as this one is, right? What this is telling you is that if this purple trend line breaks to the downside, you're now on the lookout for shorts. Okay? And I said lookout. You don't take shorts, you're looking out for shorts. Makes sense? You could almost think of this as being armed. So it's basically armed status right now. And as long as you're below the purple, okay, what you're next waiting for the strategy to do is draw a red short trend line. As you can see, it did so in this fashion right here. Does this make sense? Okay, so there's two sequences of alerts happening right here, right? There's the purple and there's the red. And the physical entry, in this case short, happens on a break of the red. Makes sense? In fact, let me go ahead and draw the box for you right there, and I'm going to color this box so you guys can clearly see this here in the chart. Okay, so there you go. Right here, right in this box here is where the short entry happened in today's market. Okay, I'm not cherry picking. This is legit from today. Here's the short trade. Your stop gets placed one tick above the swing high. Makes sense? And if I squish this in, all right, let's squish this in and see how the market played out. Your stop never got touched, and this market just fell like an absolute stone. Make sense? Our entry happened all the way back here. We didn't get any other short signals, right? And as you can see, this market just spent the entire morning session selling off hard. And you know that there were a lot of retail traders trying to catch the bottom, right? They were trying to use indicators and MACD and moving average lines and all sorts of garbage trying to go long today, when in fact the super trend lines, all right, the super trend lines just said, hey boss, you're short here and you're staying short. Okay? Shame on you if you tried to buy this market today. Got your head cut off. All those retail traders, poor fools, got their heads cut off today trying to go long, right? So anyway, I'm really excited about doing a one-on-one demo for any of you guys that are interested in checking out the super trend lines. All right, I think you're going to absolutely love it. And yes, this will work on all markets. All right, you'll have to do some customizations on your side, but this will work on futures, on Forex, and even stocks. All right, I've deliberately gone out of my way to make sure that this particular super trend lines build, which is just an incredible build, extremely powerful, and of course very simple. We're not using anything except a simple sequence and set of trend lines, right? So I've gone out of my way to make sure this potentially will work on all markets out there, Forex, futures, and stocks, okay? So if you'd like to get your one-on-one demo, guys, feel free to get in touch, okay? This is the contact info. If you want to get in touch by email, go ahead and fire off an email. Someone will get back to you. And of course, if you prefer to get in touch via phone, call or text, all right? Thanks for watching this video, guys. The Super Trend Lines is brand new. I'm really looking forward to your feedback and your comments, and I can't wait to let you take this for a test drive, all right? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next trade.